Effective technician training for pest control quality assurance starts with a clear, practical focus on consistent service delivery and safety. Begin onboarding with a structured curriculum that covers pest biology, inspection techniques, chemical and non-chemical treatment methods, and regulatory compliance, and provide a step-by-step checklist technicians can follow during every service call to ensure nothing is missed. Use deliberate practice by having new technicians shadow experienced technicians for a set number of complete jobs and then perform supervised visits where a trainer observes and gives immediate, specific feedback on inspection thoroughness, bait placement, and exclusion work. Build modular, ongoing training sessions that are short and focused, such as monthly deep dives on rodent behavior 1 month and integrated pest management strategies the next, and require field demonstrations to verify competence. Implement standardized documentation templates and teach technicians to use them consistently so records capture the problem, treatment logic, products applied, follow-up interval, and any homeowner recommendations. Use performance evaluations that combine objective metrics like callback rate and service time with qualitative review of inspection photos and customer feedback, and set clear improvement plans tied to measurable goals. Encourage structured peer feedback by running brief team debriefs after complex jobs where technicians point out what worked and what could be improved, and rotate mentors so learning is shared across the crew. Common issues include inconsistent inspection thoroughness, which causes missed signs and callbacks, so remedy that with a one-page, prioritized inspection checklist that technicians must complete for every service. Another problem is improper product selection or application leading to ineffective control and safety concerns. And that is fixed by maintaining an approved product matrix mapped to common pest scenarios and training technicians on proper mixing, application rates, and personal protective equipment use. A third concern is poor documentation and customer communication that undermines trust. So require technicians to record a short service summary in the customer communication field, photograph key evidence and treatments, and use a scripted, plain language explanation for the homeowner about what was found and the next steps. BigHomeProjects.com connects this training focus to real-world needs by helping homeowners find local technicians who emphasize quality and consistent practices, and our discussion community lets both homeowners and technicians share experiences and practical tips. We make it easy for contractors to find work and for our community to compare approaches, share job site photos, and discuss training techniques with peers.